Hello everyone, this is Geetika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School and today we'll start question number 8 of exercise 14.1 of chapter 14 symmetry of class 7. So here the question number 8 is, what letters of the English alphabet have reflectional symmetry, that is symmetry related to mirror reflection about. So here what we'll do here, we have to find out the symmetries according to vertical mirror, according to horizontal mirror and according to both horizontal and vertical about the line of symmetry of English alphabets. So what we'll do here, so let's start it now. As vertical mirror, so what we'll do here, as I have written here A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. They all are having vertical line of symmetries. As you can see here, I have drawn here as this is A and it is this having this one vertical line of symmetry, because if I draw like this then it is not having. Fine, this one part will not overlap this, so this is the only vertical line of symmetry. Same here H. In H we are having line of symmetry in this way. Fine. So as you can see here, as H is having other one also horizontal, but as we are discussing that who is having vertical also, so H is also having vertical. Same here I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y, they all are having vertical mirror. I mean to say here they are having vertical line of symmetry, we can see. Then same here horizontal mirror, you can see here I have written B, C, D, E, H, I, O, X. They are having horizontal. See, if we write here, draw here B like this line of symmetry, then you can see here this one part will not overlap this, so it is having like this only. So it will be like this. It means to say here now B, C, D, E, H, I, O and X. They all are having horizontal mirror or line of symmetry. Now in C part they are asking both horizontal and vertical mirrors. You can see here H. H is here in vertical and here horizontal also. So H is there. Same here I, you can see here and here also. So I is there. Same here O is there and then same here X is there. It means to say here H, I, O, X. These alphabets are also having both horizontal and vertical mirror reflections. And these are known as their axes. Then same question number 9, what is saying here? Give 3 examples of shapes with no line of symmetry. I mean to see here we have to give them 3 examples of those diagrams who are having no line of symmetry. So here first of all we'll take here quadrilateral, because it is not that which one type of quadrilateral it is. So what we'll do here, write here quadrilateral. Then scale and triangle, because in scale and triangle all sides are different. So it is also a diagram who is having no line of symmetry. Then same here parallelogram. Fine. These are the 3 perfect examples of those shapes which are having no line of symmetry. Then in question number 10, what other name can you give to the line of symmetry of? See here I am having an isosceles triangle, that what other name can I give to this its line of symmetry? So it can be median or altitude, because in isosceles triangle as we have seen that this one line is going to pass from the center, from the vertex it is going to divide the third one side from in the center. So it is also known as median and altitude. So same here in circle, it is having, when I am going to draw, all are passing from the center, it is going to touch the circle from all the points. So what we'll do here in circle, it is known as diameter. Fine. So in this way we can simplify or we can give the answer of these questions.